Hello everyone, Hatem Ali from Projection back again with the news as we always never promised. Today we brought for you a Tenda router. This is a brand called Tenda, okay? It's the first time I try this brand. I don't know if it's nice or no. I will tell you guys, it's nice for games or no, or deserve the money. This one is less than $100. This Tenda is cost like $70, okay? And they say it's gaming router. So let's say this is Tenda AC 1200, okay? They say, as you see here, they say it's support 4K UHD games and videos. Here by Russian they say it's supporting games, videos and everything. I can read Russian, German, English, Arabic, okay? So I can read all language and I can speak 4 of this language. Anyway, let's quickly see. They said they support Windows. Here the application, you can find it in Apple Store and Google from barcode download it. Windows XP and Go More, Windows 7, 8, 10 and Mac. Okay. And here they say that application you can, like ASUS, you got me. And here they show them one. See, my one is AC 1200. There is 1900. That's until 100 giga speed, and here USB 3. I'm USB 2 only. Actually, I didn't. They say all of them is UHD, Ultra HD supporting. This is my one. Actually, guys, I didn't want to try the AC 1900 because I still don't know this brand. Let me try first. I will see if it's nice. We will try. I will buy the least one. This is support 5G and 2 board 4G. Actually, guys, you know why I went to try this one? I want to see, is it really behind expensive things, good things, or is not necessarily that you buy? See, guys, I'll tell you why. I bought this router, AC 3100. It's completely garbage. Wi-Fi issues, always not nice at fucking all. Not deserve even $10. So let's try this, and we will see is deserve the money or no. Okay. And see, also it's 2G, 2.4G and 5G, also like here, gaming and everything. So let's unbox and see what we have inside. And wait, okay. Sorry guys, I hold phone by one hand and I do by another hand. You know, guys, sometimes this Tenda, he would be more useful than ASUS. Honestly, ASUS, I'm so fucking ashamed. I mean, full of mistakes. This router is full of fucking mistakes. You know, every time he's stuck. Every time Wi-Fi disappear. Every time is not nice. To be honest, guys, it's kind of shame. How could be brand like this creating such router like this? And not only me, all people in the world talking about how garbage have this. So what we have here in the box, nothing. Okay, we have, I don't need a catalog. Okay, we have here, oh wow, it's connected. What was that? You give me LAN. Okay, you give LAN, give me long one. Adapter. Smell of cheap plastic. Okay, and we have here the router for itself. 1, 2, 3, 4 antennas. Looks cheap. I don't know. LAN 1, Wi-Fi. Okay, if it's support 5G, so where's the 2.5 and 5G? There is no, you got me. It's just system LAN, WAN, LAN, Wi-Fi. So if it's, where's the Wi-Fi? And here we have. Okay, guys, I'm not gonna judge. Okay, let me first try. And then we'll tell you. I will play now Call of Duty. I have Black Ops 4, okay? I will play now online and I will tell you if stock get hot anyway, I will write you down there. You know, guys, I don't know what to tell you. We pay a lot of money and we not got what we deserve. We pay a lot of money and we got, since factories moved to China, we not got something nice from there. When the creation was in Europe, it was good brands in America. Since everything started created in China, everything have issue. I don't know, we buy routers, phones, TVs, washer machines, everything have issues. I can't understand. You should back the factories again to Europe. Yeah, whatever. Goods more expensive but more quality. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you again with this Tenda Banda. And we'll see is nice or no. We will tell you later about our opinion. So, peace and love for everyone. Thumbs up as we always deal.